Another key in the 5 disciplines, of course, is shared vision. A real challenge for leaders in terms of getting followers on the same page. And as outlined in Singh's writings, he has 5 choices you can make. You can just tell your followers what's going to happen, what you're going to do, what the vision is. You can sell them. In other words, you establish the vision yourself and you go to your followers and you sell them to get them to buy in. Another choice would be to test. In other words, you've got the vision, but you kind of test them a little bit. You float some trial balloons to see how they react, to maybe make some adjustments in the vision that you're going to push forward. And then you could legitimately consult with your followers or with the organization. Or the ultimate, co-create. And I think the bottom line lesson from Singh is there's a place for each one of those 5. I have a quote I'd like to share that links in with the importance of a shared vision and kind of a tip on how that shared vision can more likely succeed over time if things are done appropriately. And it's from Dr. Stephen Sample, who was president of the University of Southern California. And I use his book in class, Contrarian's Guide to Leadership. And he's got some really, I think, some good ideas. But here's the quote. Here's the key. The leader who delegates is forced to build coherence by putting together a team of lieutenants who have shared values and common goals, basically shared vision. If he's successful in this regard, his organization can survive the loss of the leader himself, which will happen eventually, of course. Now, I look at this and I think the huge advantage here from a shared vision point of view is that if you have a solid team, first of all, the successor can likely come from that team of lieutenants. And if that's the case, your vision can go right forward. If you don't have a strong team totally committed to that shared vision, it breaks up real fast when the leader is gone, when the leader retires or leaves for another opportunity. So it's really important to ingrain that vision in your top people. So in a succession situation, it's far more likely to continue. And the thing to keep in mind and why it's so critical as you look at what we call transformational change that's going to take years, minimally 5, more likely 10 years and beyond. And yet we live in a time where turnover at the top is fairly frequent and doesn't always stay for 10 years. It's really important to have that solid quality team bought in, committed to that shared vision going forward. So when there's a succession plan that's implemented, it increases the chances that that vision can go forward and continue to succeed and fulfill all the dreams and goals that were originally there.